you could get a really good pistol safe. So hey, I'm gonna show you an unboxing that you know I've been using already for a little while. This thing takes a pretty good beating. It's pretty good, so check it out. All right guys, so this is BlackSmith's new pistol safe. This is their like extra large model. If you're wondering to see the size difference, let me bring over their older model so you can see. So you got about 2 inches, about 2 inches smaller in width. Height more or less is the same, so that's the size difference you got. So here you have a key. It comes with 2 keys. So when you get your package, you see a little baggie. Put your key in here. It'll open the safe. That way, if people worry about the battery dying or you can't charge it or whatever it may be, you have the option to open it up with the key. Then here you have a USB-C. They actually come with a cord as well. So if you wanted to plug this in, if you're worried about the batteries or not finding the key, you can also power it through here. Guys, you have this light up. See how it lights up here? Maybe with the lighting you can't see it as much, but trust me, it's pretty bright. So it's motion, like a motion sensor, and you'll be able to put in whatever passkey, you know, password you want, and you will put your lock, hit your code, hit unlock, and it will open. Over here, same technology as previous safes, you have the biometric scanner. You can put multiple fingerprints, because I know some people get concerned that oh, maybe if it doesn't read well. Well, you have to do it multiple times. You have to add multiple fingerprints, so that way whether you're putting your finger like this, a weird angle, do it in as many weird positions as possible. That way it will pick up your fingerprint easier and it won't fail, because when it fails it'll kind of go red. But it's pretty quick. I know some people are gonna say, well, why put that, you know, seconds count. I would say that these type of safes are really good if you have kids. You don't want them to get into it. Just anybody goes in your house. Now, as far as somebody coming in and stealing your stuff, I have people in the comments that say, oh, someone's gonna come and take it and steal it. I mean, if you made it into my house and did all that, you must really want trouble. But anyways, so you have this here. See, it will blink red like that. See, I only did it once. So right now, if you're wondering why it failed so many times, I only registered my fingerprint like 2 times. So the more times you do it, the more it's gonna pick up your fingerprint. You really shouldn't have an issue. I have one next to my bed. I keep my firearm in there and I don't really have issues. This one, I need to register my finger a lot more. So obviously this is a lot wider than the other one. So if you were gonna put magazines and other things, that's what this is for. So just so you have an idea what it can fit. So I'm gonna put my Springfield Emissary 45, which is a 4.25 or 4 1/4 size firearm. Let me see. Let me put a full size. Let's see. Let me see if another full size could fit in here. Oh, yep. So I put my Canik TTI in there, where it's an extended base plate. So you got this styrofoam, so it'll cushion your firearms. You don't have to worry about getting banged up, scratched up. So you can see here, you could probably fit some mags, some stuff. Close it. See? No problem. Can fit for the space you might need. Over here, you're gonna see there's a button here. You hold that for a second. That's the program button. You hold that for about a second. You're gonna hear some beeps, 2 beeps. That's when you will register your fingerprint or your code, and it makes you do it, the fingerprint 3 times. The code, it'll make you do it twice. and you'll hear a beep that it registered, and you try it, and then it works. So you have those options. I love that they always bring in you know, a lock. You have a cord to power it up. You also got screws and anchors. So if you wanted to somehow kind of bolt this thing down, you could, for added security, so nobody takes it, so nobody does anything. That's what you have here.